Hi viewers, welcome once again. We just solve this simple problem here. We have 3 bracket open, x plus 4 bracket close, 5x bracket open, y minus 2 bracket close. We also have 4x bracket open, x plus 1, minus 1 bracket close, plus x bracket open, 2 plus x bracket close. And last one here, 2 bracket open, y minus 7 bracket closed, minus 3 bracket open, y minus 1 bracket close. Yes, these are 4 simple, I can say they're equations, or 4 simple functions that we're being asked to simplify. So in simplifying this, we solved some of the quadratic equations earlier that involves brackets. When you are able to solve those particular questions, I don't think this will be a big deal for you, because under this particular problem, we are being asked to simplify this by expanding the brackets. That's it. By expanding the bracket, and in doing so, you multiply the external factor into the internal ones, i.e. the outside components into the inside components, and you get to simplify it if there's necessity for you to do that further. Thank you. Let's continue doing this here. All right, so here we still have 3x plus 3 times positive 4 is going to give us positive 12. That's the first one. 3 times x is 3x, and 3 times 4 is going to give us what? 12. All right, shall we continue on the second one? 5x by y is going to give us 5xy, and 5x by 2 is going to give us minus 10x. Okay, minus 10x. This is because we have 5x here multiplied by 2. So 5 times 10 gives us to 10, and the x is 10x. It's also negative here because the 2 is negative. So 5x times negative 2 is going to give us negative 10x. That's the second one. That's correct. Let's look at the third one. That is where we have some little complications, but follow up, you get the understanding very clearly. So here we shall have 4x by x is 4x squared. 4x by 1 is minus 4x. Okay, so the first one is done. Plus, now remember, this doesn't have anything doing with that, so focus on this as well. So we have x by 2 is plus 2x. Okay, and x by x is plus x squared. Period. That's it. So we can go ahead to simplify this, because we have 4x squared here, we have x squared here, we have 4x here, we have 2x here. So we have things that are common here, and we can go further to simplify that by adding 4x squared to x squared. So 4x squared, okay, plus what? X squared, okay, and minus 4x plus 2x is going to give us minus 2x, okay, and that becomes the final answer for that one as well. This is because 4x squared has nothing to do with x squared, okay. Yes, we can still go ahead, because look at it, we can still add, because 4x squared and then x squared can also give us what? 5x squared minus what? 2x. In that perspective, yes, if you are not being restrained, you can continue. Okay, but if you are being restrained, then you are picking answers from optionals. Then you got to check up first, because they could have stopped at that level and tell, okay, this is the only thing that is found on the options. So if that is not the case, you can go further to get 5x squared from 4x squared plus x squared, that's 5x squared minus what? 2x. And that becomes the final answer to the third one. All right, let's actually look at the fourth one. Of course, the last one. So we have 2 by y. So we have 2y, 2 by 7. But remember, 7 is negative. So it's minus 14. Because 2 times 7 equals what? 13. We are done with that. Now we come to the second bracket. So we have minus 3 by y is going to give us minus 3y. Plus, this is plus because minus 3 is going to multiply by 1. And minus 3 is negative, and the 1 is also what? Negative. So we got to have plus 3. Okay, so I think we can still go ahead to do something here. So 2y minus 3y is going to give us minus 1y. And in this sense, you write y, not 1y. Y stands like this, means obviously 1y. So we are done with 2y minus what? 3y. So we have minus 14 plus 3. So we have minus 11. And this becomes the final answer or final solution to these 4 sample functions that we are being asked to expand the brackets and then get respective answers to them. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, mathsonline.easy. We're on TikTok, we are on YouTube, we're also on Facebook, we're also on Instagram. Please share the videos as well. Once we share and like and click on all the notification bells as well, so you can always be notified when new videos are uploaded. God bless you.